My name is Federico Zamudio. I am from Uruguay, South America, south of South America. So I'm a lawyer. I graduated in Uruguay from the State University. It's the largest law school in Uruguay. And last year, well, actually, the 2019, and last year I studied the LLM in comparative and European private law. Well, first of all, it is actually a unique program among the top ranked universities, both because mainly because of two factors. The first one is that it's comparative, and the second one is that it's private. It is based on private law, and you don't actually find programs which are based or focused on private law as a broader field. I took two courses on trusts, which is a legal institution that is really important in Britain, and particularly in Scotland, because it presents some unique features there. And as everyone will know, Scotland is a mixed jurisdiction, so this is influenced. This influences also the trusts. And well, among the courses that I took some courses on legal theory as well, which is really important for someone who is embarking on the comparative law field. So to sum up, the program was unique and I really enjoyed it. The comparative law field has some excellent scholars, and some of them were actually the course organizers, so and particularly my supervisor. So on the courses, what I really enjoyed was the closeness to the professors. The lockdown was harsh, but to be honest, I mean, as everything we were living was new, and I had plenty of stuff to get to know. I must confess that I seized the opportunity to study outside, to have a more natural life, actually to get to know the neighborhood where I lived in, which was beautiful. It was Polwarth, by the way. It was like 15. It was a 15-minute ride from the law school, so it was kind of close. Edinburgh, it's gorgeous. I mean, I got to know other cities in Europe. I must confess, I developed a special relationship, of course, with Edinburgh. It has history. It attracts many people from many different countries all over the world. You have, as I said, endless things to do there. So I think once again it's unique. And I got back to Uruguay, and I am working actually in one of the largest law firms in Uruguay. I work in the private law field of the firm, so it is directly related to what I studied in Edinburgh. And I must confess that the fact that I graduated from Edinburgh and it being one of the top-ranked universities and law schools in the world, it really helped me. And it is, I must confess, it is opening doors both in the professional life and particularly in the academic life. So yes, the LLM is helping me, but I think and I hope that in the future I might manage to do a PhD. So I think that's going to be the best help the LLM can give me. So it was a unique program. The academic life, it's brilliant. I mean, the fact that you get to know one of the or some of the most distinguished scholars in Europe, that is unique. Then the Edinburgh as a city, Scotland as a country, everything was great. And as I said, it was better than I expected.